I really like the details. I love it so much. And again, you cannot go wrong with black and gold. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we do a small Zara haul. I know that most of the time when people do like a Zara haul they have like 6 to 10 pieces. Yeah, I only have 3 today. So I thought I'm gonna warn you. Also one of those pieces I'm already wearing, and this is a dress some of you might have already seen. I just bought it recently from Zara, but I've got so many messages about where this dress is from. So this is a really nice dress, and I wore it to the private Louis Vuitton event. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm gonna link it in the description box below, so go and check that one out. That was a really nice evening. And yeah, after that video I basically got so many messages, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna include this now in this haul because it is quite new still. You can find it, you know, on the website, in stores, everywhere, and I absolutely love this. I'm actually thinking of buying this dress like a second time just in case, you know, something would ever happen to this one, because I think like this is so me. I absolutely love it. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna show you what I bought, and then also I'm gonna show you how everything looks like on. And I'm gonna, yeah, let me, what do we do first? Okay, let me show you first what I got, but then also I want to pair, because I think all of the dresses I bought this time from Zara, they're gonna go phenomenally well with my new bag, my Bottega Veneta Pouch clutch. And for anyone who hasn't seen like the reveal slash unboxing of this beautiful bag yet, I'm going to link it in the description box below as well, and you can go and check it out. But yeah, I'm so in love with this one. But yeah, we'll get into this. First of all, I got another really beautiful black dress. Whoops! And this is like embroidered in a way that I think nobody would think it's actually Zara. For me, it kind of has some Dolce & Gabbana, it gives me some Dolce & Gabbana vibes basically. Yeah, I mean, it's just a black dress, but if we look at it closer, can you see all those flowers everywhere? It's really well made, and yeah, I can't say enough good things about this. I was really like, but sometimes I just go through like a Zara store and I see things like this and I'm like, oh yeah, this is so me, I need to get it right here and then. That was one of these moments. So this beautiful black dress, you still can't try anything on in store, so we're gonna have to see how it looks like on. And if it actually fits me, but fingers crossed. And this is the other dress that I got, and this kind of gives me like Versace vibes. I just love how Zara like copies everything. You can get like Chanel tweed jackets, you can find anything kind of Gucci, you can find like Dolce & Gabbana inspired you know, designs and Versace. So I love Zara. Zara is like my favorite place to go for clothing. Oops, so yeah, this is it. I mean, it's probably gonna look a lot nicer once we put it on, but yeah, this is just to show you how the pattern looks like. Okay guys, so I would say let's see how, whoops, all of this looks like on, and especially how it looks like with my beautiful Bottega Veneta pouch clutch. Yeah, so this is the dress that everybody really liked, that I was wearing to the private Louis Vuitton event. And like I said, this is so me. I absolutely love it. I'm really thinking of just buying a second one. And it goes so well with my beautiful Bottega dumpling, my golden dumpling. Yeah, I really like it. Also, I got these shoes from Zara too. And they are really beautiful and they're comfortable as well, which is not always the case. So yeah, big fan of mixing black and golds, of course. Yeah, can't say anything bad about this. I love this dress. It's black lace, you know, you can never go wrong with like black lace. And yeah, I think it's very chic. You can wear it with flats, you can wear it with high heels. You know, it's not too long. I'm 5'7", 5'8", around 172 centimeters. I know that people always ask me that too. But yeah, as you can see, they're still quite, you know, it's not hanging on the floor or anything. So I think, yeah, perfect dress for any occasion. I think you can wear this like as an everyday dress if you just go shopping, or to, you know, a private event, to a dinner party as well. So yeah, absolutely love this one. So yeah, this is dress number 2. And same, like I already know I'm definitely gonna keep this. I really, really like it. Here you can see all the little flowers, and yeah, I mean, I wouldn't think this is a Zara dress, right? If I just see it on somebody else. I really like the details. I love it so much. And again, you cannot go wrong with black and gold. I think I'm gonna wear this pouch everywhere now because I love it so much. Yeah, I just have it paired with the same shoes because, yeah, it's absolutely perfect in my opinion. Yeah, let's see how the last one looks like on. I'm really a little bit worried about that last one because it has a really deep cut, but we see how we can deal with that. So yeah, I mean, this one is not too bad. I really, really like it. I have to say, this one rather even gives me like Gucci vibes instead of like Versace vibes. Yeah, I like it a lot. It looks good. It's definitely not too low cut. You could just wear that whenever. It's not a problem. And yeah, I mean, it looks good with the Bottega pouch as well. However, of course, if you wear like an entire black outfit, this bag is popping more. But it goes well with this one as well. So yeah, really, really happy. And let me know what you think. What's your favorite dress? And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys soon. Bye!